Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg Adams, and if you've watched the first two videos I uploaded, you should have SQL Server installed, SSMS installed, Visual Studio installed, and SQL Server Data Tools installed. Well, we're technically done setting up the applications and everything, but now we need data. So, uh, the easiest way to get data in college, you guys may have already heard of like AdventureWorks. That's a good way, a good like beginning database to really play with. And I'm going to show you how to get it. So what you need to do is Google AdventureWorks database. Of course, it's extremely easy. Install and configure AdventureWorks sample database. Click on that, and then you'll see a web page with a bunch of links, and you might get a little confused, but choose. You can choose any one of these. I just chose 2017. Okay, once it's downloaded, it's not very big. It's like 48 megabytes, I believe. Once you choose that one, uh, you're going to need to put it in the correct place. And the best way and the easiest way to do that is open up your SQL Server Management Studio, right click on Databases, and we'll do this again because we're going to just find the location of where the backups are right now. We'll go back through this later to actually do it. Under the source section right here, click on Device, click the three dots. You'll see a pop-up window with backup media. There's nothing in there yet. Click Add, and this is the window that we're looking for. So as you can see, I have several backups. I've been playing around with SQL and different databases and everything. What you can do, hold down Control, hit C. You'll copy this location. Open up File Explorer. Click that section up there. Control V. Hit Enter. And bam, you're in that directory where the backups are. So you go back to where you downloaded the backup file for AdventureWorks. I have mine on my desktop. 2017. Throw it in there. I have it. So when you go back in here, I think you can refresh. So you cancel it out and go back to Add. You'll see that it refreshed that window, and now you have it. So you click on that, OK, click OK. This series, I'm not going to get too in depth with what all options you have available here and what you can do. You can verify the backup media, make sure it's not corrupted. Depending on how big the database is, it could take a little bit. The database name you can change to whatever. If this is just a development, you can name it AdventureWorks 2017, Dev or Playground or whatever. And if you have a production, you would obviously end with prod or production, so you can kind of differentiate the two, because you don't want to develop on the wrong one and make changes to prod when you mean to do it in dev to practice, or to make legit changes when you're actually in your career and your position. You always want to make sure you try it on dev first before production. So after that, you just hit OK. Hit OK. Go back to here, and bam, it's there. One way we can check it is go to one of the tables. VentureWorks has a lot of tables. It's basically a fake company with fake data in it, so you can play around with it and do different things, practice things. We're going to get into that later on. Right now, I just want to make sure it's set up correctly for everyone, so we can all be on the same page. So what I usually do, just like top 1,000 rows. It might take a little bit, and then as long as you have data, you have it installed. So I just showed you how to restore a database. Now this would be the best way, in my opinion. I believe you can do it in code too. Sometimes you have to. It's a little bit more technical uh, for this series, but I've had to do it that way as well. But uh, AdventureWorks isn't the only database you can use. You can go to data.gov, I believe, but those aren't necessarily backups. They are CSV files, and that's uh, another video I'm going to show you how to import those type of files in the SQL Server. It's a little bit different beast, but we'll get there. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe, click the bell, leave comments, tell me if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer them. Thank y'all.